If you want to turn off auto download in Free Fire on your Android phone, here is exactly what you need to do. First of all, open Free Fire and wait until it's on the main lobby screen. At the top of your screen, you will see a cloud icon. That's the download center. Tap on it. Inside the download center, tap the three dots, then the settings icon. From there, find the option called Auto Download Recommended Resources and turn it off. Once you disable this, the game will stop automatically downloading map and skin assets in the background. Now, if something is already downloading, you can pause it as well. Just open the download center again, tap the cloud icon, then press the three dots on the left side to see the current downloads. From there, you can pause any ongoing downloads. If you also want to free up storage space, you can delete previous downloads. In the download center, use the delete icon to remove already downloaded maps or skins that you don't need anymore. And that's it. That's how you stop auto downloads in Free Fire on Android. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.